Am I the only one who thought keto desserts were impossible? Think again. All right, let's get straight into it. We're making a low-carb, high-protein creme brulee in minutes. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab 4 egg yolks and whisk them up with a quarter cup of your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. I like erythritol, but you do you. Next, heat up 1 cup of heavy cream till it's just about to simmer. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour that hot cream into your egg mixture. Keep whisking to avoid scrambled eggs. Now add a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic creme brulee flavor. Pour the mixture into ramekins and place them in a baking dish. Fill the dish with hot water halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake for about 30 minutes or until the centers are just set. Once they're cool, sprinkle a little more sweetener on top and break out your kitchen torch. Carefully caramelize that top layer till it's golden and crispy. Boom! You've got yourself a creamy, dreamy, keto-friendly creme brulee in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty keto recipes from Keto Fit Haven. Thanks for watching, folks. See ya next time.